Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw one of my favorite summertime activities, and that is going to the fair. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our drawing of a fair, let's begin by making a tent. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come across like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to make another line that's going to come up here. So it's like a triangle. Underneath that triangle, let's make some round little bumps that just go right across the bottom here. Next, let's draw a diagonal line that kind of curves out on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes right across here. Next, we're going to go up and down for like the opening of our tent. And then we're going to make a line that goes out and in and down. Same thing here, out and in and then down. Then let's just go ahead and put a couple little stripes on here. So we'll put like 2 here, and we'll put 2 here. Then we'll put 1, 2, and 3 little lines here for some stripes. We'll make a little pole coming out the top, and we'll make a little wiggly triangle for a flag. Now, right here, let's go ahead and let's make a nice tall diagonal line that's going to go up, over, and then down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to bring this up, over, and then down. Let's make a line across the top, and then let's make another line across the top. Then we'll put a little circle at the top of each one. And then we're going to make a little flag coming out the top of each one. Then inside of here, we're going to write the word fair. So we're going to make like some bubble letter words for fair. If you don't know how to do bubble letters, you can just write the letters normal. But I'm just going to do this little kind of bubble letter shape for the fair. Now over here, let's make like a little food truck trailer for our fair. So let's start right here, and we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve out, and it's going to come down here. We're going to make it jump over here and then come down. Let's make a line that comes over here, and we'll make a little sad face. And we'll connect it here. We'll draw a little line, we'll go up and down, and then bring it back over here. We're going to put a little circle in here, and then a smaller one. Then we're going to make a little skinny rectangle for like a windowsill. And then we're going to make a big square in here. Then we're going to make a little rectangle here for like a menu, and we're going to put some little squiggles on it. Then I'm going to make like a giant corn dog on here. So we're going to make a nice big oval shape. Then we're going to make a skinny little stick down here. Then we're going to make a big squiggly line on top for the ketchup or mustard. We'll make a little rectangle here. And we'll make 2 lines coming down. Now, over here, let's make a barn for like the 4-H building. So let's start by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go in at an angle. Then we're going to go down at an angle and kind of jump over here. We'll go down here. Then we're just going to kind of repeat this shape for the roof of our barn. So we're just going to kind of repeat that same shape. We're going to make this line come down and then angle down. And same thing here. Next, we're going to go down. And then let's make a little bumpy bush in front. Then we're going to make a line that goes up, over, down, and then back over. Then we'll make another line come down here. Then we're going to put a line across. And we'll make a little rectangle shape in here. And then we're going to put an X going right through the door. Then let's put a big rectangle shape on here. And then we're going to make a bubble letter 4. And then we're going to make a bubble letter H for a nice big 4-H building. And let's make a little line across here. Then let's go ahead and make like a Ferris wheel back here. So I'm going to get something kind of circle to trace, and I'm just going to trace my circle. So I'm just going to kind of trace a circle right around here. And then I'm just going to make another circle right on the inside for my Ferris wheel. Then I'm going to make some little lines that go out and then curve around. So I'm just going to go straight across and then curve around. These will be the little seats in the Ferris wheel. We'll make a little tiny one up there at the top. And we'll just kind of make little smiley faces and then lines across. I'll put one right here. Next, I'm going to make another circle inside of here. And then I'm just going to put some diagonal lines coming down here. Kind of all heading towards the middle. Just to make some detail on our Ferris wheel. Then over here, what I want to do is I'm just going to make some little music notes coming out, because a lot of fairs are definitely going to have like different music and stuff going on, and these will also kind of help for like, you know, things with like the rides and everything, because there's always music playing. It's always such a fun time at the fair. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fair. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.